Anna's favorite hobby is bird watching. She spends her Sunday afternoons watching birds in the garden and then draws pictures of them. She also has won an award for her essay on birds. Let's read. We see birds everywhere. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. What is the unique feature of birds? Is it that they can fly or lay eggs? No. They are the only animals that have feathers. There are other animals that can fly or lay eggs, but none have feathers. The feathers in their wings help them fly, and the feathers in their tail help them balance themselves and take off and land like a plane. The feathers on the chest keep them warm. All birds have beaks, which they use to eat. Birds do not have teeth. They have a tongue, and do you know that their tongue has a bone? They feed on small insects, grains, fruits, and small animals. Yes, they do eat small animals too. Have you ever seen an eagle preying a mouse? Different birds move in different ways. Not all birds fly. For example, an ostrich cannot fly. It is too heavy to fly. But it is the fastest running animal. Some birds can swim too, such as ducks, swans, and penguins. All birds lay eggs. They build nests to lay their eggs. They use different types of materials, such as twigs, grass, strings, and feathers to make comfortable nests. The time that an egg takes to hatch is called incubation period. It varies for all birds. Birds are the most fascinating creatures on this earth, and I love watching birds. When they reached the pond, Anna asked her uncle how the duck, though a bird, could swim. Let us listen to their conversation, wherein Uncle is explaining the very special features of ducks to Anna.
Uncle, aren't ducks birds? Then how is it that they swim?
Yes, Anna. Ducks are birds. They have special feet that help them swim.
Look closely at this duck's feet.
Oh, yes. They are different than the feet of other birds. They have webbed feet which act like paddles and help them swim. It's because of this shape that they waddle and not walk. Do you know, Anna, ducks can even swim in ice-cold water? They don't feel cold because they do not have any nerves or blood vessels in their feet.
Wow! I have to wear thick socks in winter to keep my feet warm.
And child, they have waterproof feathers.
Waterproof feathers?
There are special oil glands that produce oil and cover the duck's feathers that come in contact with the water. As a result, the feathers don't get wet.
That's very interesting information, Uncle. Thanks so much for sharing this information.